A Few Minutes with Fade to Black, episode 12 starts right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys are all making it through. Now, I haven't uploaded one of these in a few weeks because it has been crazy busy. I know I talked about a while ago whether or not all this pandemic stuff was gonna make things slower or busier. Well, for me, thankfully, I have been busy. I know a lot of people haven't been as fortunate as me, but I have been crazy busy. Also, I don't know if that's because of springtime. In springtime, you know, more people want window tint, more people want things done with their vehicles. So that could be the reason for that as well. But I hope you guys are going good. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are busy doing things that you want to do. Like I know some people that can't work, or some people haven't been to work. Hopefully finances, everything, like I said, hopefully you're making it through. But I want to give you guys a quick update of what has been going on with me. You know, like I said before in other videos, I had the box Chevy project. That is one of my goals for getting that thing done this year. It's not going as fast as I want it to go, but you know what? Things are getting done, and things are getting done right. So let's talk about that real quick. So some of you guys might know, some of you guys might not know, but I sell rims and tires. So all those rims and tires are rims and tires I've sold for customers in the past. Well, I actually finally picked up a set for myself or for the box Chevy project. So I got some 24-inch Dub Delicious staggered offset. So we got wide concave for the rear, and then we got 24x9s in front, 24x10s in the rear. So those will be going on. I got two on right here, just kind of mocking it up, just kind of seeing what it's gonna look like really quick on there. The gas tank has been coated. New sending unit in there. I got tons of parts up here for the box Chevy lug nuts. I got LED headlights. I got filler parts, putting new shocks on it. So that is going pretty well. The carb has gotten rebuilt, so the whole fuel system will be cleaned out. New brakes for that. I'm gonna put rotors on the front. So a lot has been going on with the box Chevy. I'm hoping to have that thing running and rolling. The next time you guys see it, next time you have video, it probably will be running. Now, on my car behind me, I'm getting the wheels redone. I put different tires on there, so now I'm gonna have the wheels all gloss black, powder coated. We're gonna freshen that up, make them look good for the summer, because they kind of were getting a little bit rough. Kind of one had got curb checked. The paint wasn't looking as good, so I'm gonna go gloss black powder coat on that. So now this thing is sitting up on jack stand, so hopefully I'll have that on the road soon. Now, one other thing I'm gonna show you guys before I leave with a few minutes, our garage. My wife repainted the garage. It was dark when we moved in here a few years ago. Now she painted it a nice crispy white. Let's go check that out. So, usually in the wintertime when it's cold, I got a heater in here. I like to just tint in here because it doesn't really pay to heat up a big shop if you're gonna just tint for a couple hours. So usually I just use the house garage here. My wife painted it. It is crispy white, as you can see behind me. So hopefully that will look better in videos as well. Now, one of my top videos has been my wife's SUV with the 50% windshield. That video right now at this point has like 66,000 views. That's the vehicle right there that has all those views. I appreciate you guys for watching. So I think that when I make videos in this garage, it will look a lot better with the nice bright white wall. So shout out to my wife for doing that. Like I said before, guys, these are just a few minutes with Fade to Black, just a quick vlog. You guys post, comment down below, let me know what has been going on with you guys. Like I said before, sorry I haven't had time to post as many videos. It's just been busy. Family, business, everything else, trying to maintain. But like I said before, I hope you guys are doing well. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you not miss any notifications, and I will be back when I get more time. What is time? So you guys, stay faded. Peace. Thanks for watching.